She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and Emma, is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. For today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and whip up a appetizer that would be great for game day or any get-together, or just for a Taco Tuesday. I'm going to go ahead and make a taco layer dip. So, of course, I'm sure you've heard of the famous 7-layer taco dip, or maybe even 6-layer, or maybe even 8. In this case, who's counting? Put whatever you want in there to make it taste good. So I'm going to go ahead and use what I normally put in my salad, and I hope you guys enjoy. So if you are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
There you go, baby, está gustosa a mi lado, sabrosa y tan dulce como un mango. Una chica de Bahía con milagros, cantita bien caro. La ballena, brasilera canta a capela. Dime en portugués todo lo que quieras, yo te llego en cualquier manera. Semi-automatic, shoot my shot in verse until I had it. Good drama, she was cinematic. Speak to me in tongues like a fanatic. Yeah, she a fan of it. Me gusta bien caro, en un Ferrari bien caro, con mucho clase caro, con un estilo bien caro. Me gusta bien caro, en lencería bien caro, con un alma bien caro. Baby, yo sé que tú es caro.
Alright, you guys, so here is my version of a taco layer dip that you can try. Again, you can add or take out any of the layers. This is just the way that I make mine, but I'm sure yours will be just as tasty with any variations that you make. This is perfect for game day or any get-together, so I definitely recommend you give this a try. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Put in the comments how many layers I actually did. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.